In front of me is Xiaomi 13T, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in Magic Fluids and download this free app from Mad Scientist developer. Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Sim. When you're ready, open it, and to mute the music right away, select Note icon at the bottom left corner. Then click on those three lines at the bottom right one. Tap on Set as Live Wallpaper and click on this gear at the top right corner. Finally, click on I accept in First Things First pop-up and adjust all of those options however you want to. You can also choose presets at the top left corner. Tap on the best one for you and click on Yes in Load Preset pop-up to apply it. Then go back, choose Set Wallpaper at the bottom and decide where you wish to apply it by tapping on one of the available options. On Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. I will go with Home Screen only, so when I tap and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!